Hey y'all, my name is Jordan and today I'll be going over the solution to 2-sum 2. So this is a specific variation of 2-sum where the input array is always sorted in ascending order. Let me go over here to example 1 where I could explain what's happening. So we're given 2, 7, 11, 15 as our list of numbers, and we want to find the two numbers in this list that add up to our target 9. So in this case, it's going to be 2 and 7. And if we go over here to the notes, they want us to return the index of these two numbers, but not zero based. So that means the indexing is going to start at 1. So for 2, the index would be 1, and for 7, the index would be 2, and that would be the output. They also have other constraints, such as there's exactly one solution. So I know here that there will always be a solution for any input that they give us, and you may not use the same element twice. So if we go over here to my additional example, I can explain how we could solve this using the pointer method. I'm going to instantiate a left pointer at the beginning of the list and a right pointer at the end. Next, we can find the sum of the two numbers that we're currently pointing at, which is going to be 1 and 11, and the sum would be 12. So in this case, it's not equal to our target. So we're going to need to make a decision whether to move the left pointer to the right or the right pointer to the left. If we move the left pointer to the right, we will be increasing our sum because we know that every number to the right of this left pointer is greater than the current number that we're at. And if we decrease the right pointer, we know we'll be decreasing the sum because every number to the left of it is less than the number that it's currently at. So in this case, since our sum is 12, which is greater than the target, we're going to want to decrease the right pointer. So now our new sum would be 1 plus 9, which is going to equal 10, which is still greater than the target. So next we're going to decrease the right pointer again. So now our new sum is 1 plus 7, which is 8, which is less than the target. So now in this case, we're going to increase the left pointer. Now our new sum is 2 plus 7, which is 9, which would be equal to our target. Now these are the two indexes that we're going to want to return, but we got to make sure to add 1 to it because it's a non-zero based index. So in this case, we're going to return 1 plus 1, which would be 2, and 1 plus 4, which would be 5. And that would be our solution. So we can go ahead and code this up. We're going to start by instantiating the left pointer at the left end of our array, and we're going to instantiate the right pointer to the right end of our array, which is the length of the numbers minus 1. So we're going to want to continue this pointer method as long as the left pointer is less than the right pointer. Now we could find the sum of the two numbers that we're currently at. Now we can check if the sum is equal to the target, and if it is, we can return the indexes plus 1. And that would be our answer at the end, but we have some other cases where if the sum is greater than our target and if the sum is less than the target. So we're going to add 1 for greater than. We would want to decrease the right pointer in this case. And for the last situation, we're going to increase the left pointer. And that's our complete solution right there, and we can now submit that. And there you go. So that's the solution to 2-sum 2. Just know that this is a specific variation of 2-sum, and there are a bunch of others that exist out there.